Most trading education teaches you that RSI is overbought above 70. Almost none of it tells you that Wells Wilder built RSI in 1978 for commodity futures on daily bars, and that this is exactly why it behaves strangely on a 1-minute synthetic index. That gap is the whole problem. You can memorize 100 rules and still have no idea when any of them stop applying, because nobody told you what problem the rule was built to solve in the first place. So we built the courses the other way around. Every strategy is taught from its origin. Who created it? What market they were looking at? What question they were actually trying to answer? Charles Dow was describing an industrial economy through a stock average. Munehisa Homma was reading rice in 18th-century Japan. Richard Wyckoff was trying to work out what the largest operator in the market was doing. Ralph Elliott thought he had found a natural law. Jesse Livermore was learning, expensively, what speculation costs. Edwards and Meiji wrote the book that every pattern chart since has quietly copied. Once you know that, a tool stops being a rule you follow and becomes a piece of reasoning you can judge. You know what it was designed to see, which means you also know when you are asking it to see something it was never built for, and that is the single most useful thing an analyst can know. 69 lessons across 4 technical analysis tracks: classic theory, candlesticks, chart patterns, indicators, plus 29 on cybersecurity, because the fastest way to lose an account has never been a bad trade. And you don't just read them. Every topic has exercises, so you have to use the idea rather than nod at it. Each track has an exam, and there is a simulated trading section where you place the trade, entry, stop, target, the same decisions in the same order as the real thing. So the knowledge gets tested somewhere before it gets tested with your money. Lessons open 5 at a time, 1 batch a day, as you finish the ones already in front of you. That is deliberate. Nobody learns to read a market in a weekend, and a course you binge in one sitting is a course you have forgotten by Friday. All of it is free. It's in our community tier. No trial, no card, nothing expiring in 14 days. We are not going to tell you this makes you profitable. No course does that, ours included, and the research is fairly blunt on the point. What it does is make sure that when you use something, you know why, and that when it stops working, you understand what changed instead of going looking for a new indicator. CLEAREX.MARKET, the biggest support behind every decision you make.